you want to be when you graduate?
I think I want to do something with manufacturing and engineering.
What about Gold's Machines?
What's that?
It's a place right here in Montrose.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know they make aerospace parts for planes?
That's
Really?
cool.
We should go now.
Oh, this is Gold's Machine. We're in Montrose, Pennsylvania. We've run this since the 80s. My dad started the business in 1972. He started with 2 Swiss automatic hand machines. You'll be able to see a picture of one later over there on the wall.
We are a high precision machine shop, so we take on jobs from our customer that do require a great deal of precision. The precision really matters because these parts typically are going as replacement parts for existing units.
Okay, so these are samples of the parts that we make. This is the drain. This is a gorgeous piece of manufacturing, but just gets stuck inside a drain on an airplane in the sink.
Let me ask you, what are your customers, like who they are?
In the medical field, also into the aerospace, which is aircraft parts for jet engines, helicopters, stuff like that.
Okay, so what would you say is the ideal employee?
Basically, the type of people we look for is somebody that likes to work with their hands, kind of creative. Also, math skills, able to learn from other people is important. But what thrills me about being in the business is that we're taking something from a chunk of steel and turning it into a product.
We have a little saying, it's not good until it's perfect, so that's what we do.